Hey everyone, this is Super Sneakerhead. I have a new pickup for you guys. Haven't had one in a while, but picked these up off of eBay for a really nice price. I had a $20 coupon, I used that and paid the rest of it. I believe I paid $160. Here we go. New Balance 1600, size 10.5. I got these for a pretty good price. Like I said, I had a $20 coupon and paid the rest. We got these bad boys. Let me take the other one out. You got some extra laces right there. So I got a New Balance 1600 pickup today. When they first came out, I missed out on the release, but glad to have them now. I wear blue kicks a lot too, so this will go great with all my outfits. You got your nice kicks hang tag right there in blue. Overall, this is a really clean shoe, I think. They did a great job. You got your all blue, icy, kind of looks like icy bottoms, but not really. Got New Balance 1600 right there on the tongue. Got NB on the back. What I really thought was cool, let me see if we can get, you got nice kicks in the insole with like, it looks like an ocean print or a beach print. Can you get in there? I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll try to brighten it up when I edit the video. But you got nice kicks in there. Here's the tag. So overall, pretty nice shoe. I wear blue a lot. Like I said, I really like this shoe. Not much. A little glue right here, but see if I can get that out later. Try to get that out later. But overall, well put together. Nice material, soft. Be definitely doing some on feet videos of these. Oh yeah, you got your New Balance right there in the gray, white, and blue. And I'll be doing some on feet videos of these, like I said. Here's your laces. I'm going to turn the box. Alright, that's about all for today. I have a couple new pickups coming in the mail I'm waiting for. They should be here within a week, and I'll be making videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links will be in the description below. And hope you guys enjoyed the video.